Hello everyone, I am Bajrika Patel from Caret IT Solutions Private Limited. Today I am going to explain you about the suggest counterpart value in reconciliation model Odoo version 13. This type of reconciliation model suggests the immediately counterpart value that only need to be the validated. Let's start. Click on accounting and reconciliation model. Let's see, I have already created the promotional fees and the type is suggest counterpart values. Now let's create bank statement. Add a line. And let's take an amount which is 1000. And save. Then click on reconcile. And you can see that there is one new line automatically be added as in promotional fees, which is 1000. Just click on validate button to validate it. So this is how we can use the suggest counterpart value in reconciliation model in Odoo version 13. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.